So, it's Saturday, these two are very hungover, Jack's still drunk. I stayed in last night. I stayed in last night, but it's laundry day. So, I mean, I like my dungarees. I've got Hannah's jumper on, which doesn't go with my green, and I'm wearing a swimsuit underneath because I'm all out of everything. I'm literally washing my entire bag. So yeah,
we're about to go a kilometre to go get a washing done.
But a lot of places are closed. Apparently laundry day is not on a Saturday, even though it is on a Saturday. So yeah, wish us luck. I look homeless. That looks so good.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Veggie burger. And I got crispy chicken. Don't know where the chicken is. Oh, and bacon at the bottom. Are you excited?
Oh mate, I've never been so excited for a salad in my life. Hello guys. We are at Chin Chin, which is a beautiful little bar. We have ordered the only steak that's on the menu. We have no idea what it's with, but we know it's going to be great. We've heard good things. There was a chicken special that sounded amazing, but we were like, no, we have to have the steak. We're having a few rum and cokes, and then I'm going to get a vino. Then we're going to go to some tango. And then, not sure.
So I don't know how well you can hear us, but we have ordered Bacardi and a Coke, and they didn't have lemonade, so I've ordered Bacardi and soda water, and I kid you not, it is just Bacardi. Like, it's probably the full glass is Bacardi. It's so strong. I don't know how I'm going to drink that. Hannah's taste is a little bit better with the Coke.
Still, like, there's more Bacardi than Coke.
It is so gross. I feel like I'm going to be drunk on this one glass.
You're going to struggle to drink that.
Nice?
Looks great. What? Oh, pickled beetroot.
Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me, but I got just Bacardi so I can pour orange juice in it. And that is all Bacardi. That's all Bacardi.
You did it all the way around because I don't know if you had fit it all. Oh no!
Guinness. It's pretty crazy. It looks like imagine you have like a pint of Guinness.
Go for it.
And they put like a short glass of Baileys inside of it, and it sinks.
It's
and
like
then
a blood
it
bomb. That wasn't even full.
Yeah, sure, like that.
But we've got to go to the next
They do the
place.
same in Germany with a Pilsner Jägermeister, and then it's called